Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're going to be demonstrating copying clips to a new project. So here I have a few clips that I'm going to copy into another project. We're just going to do 6 of them. So we'll delete that. And then we'll do these 6 tracks, and we want the clips to come out exactly how they are right here. So I'm going to select them all, shift click, and then you could right click or 2-finger click and hit copy. I'm just going to do Command C. All right, so they're copied. Then I'm going to open up a new live set or a project that I want to transfer it over to. All right, tab over. And then notice I only have 4 tracks here. So if I paste them here, it's only going to do 4. We had 6 tracks that we were going to do. So I'm going to add 2 more tracks, Command T, Command T. And you don't have to worry if they're MIDI tracks. It'll switch them over to audio as soon as you paste. And there are our clips. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we should talk about next.